Okay, we've got some strawberry cake mix. Dump it in your bowl. Okay, and we're gonna take 1 cup of oil, a box of vanilla instant pudding, four eggs, okay, we're gonna get this mixed up.
All right.
We're gonna add a special ingredient.
Can't wait.
Now, you wanna take a 12-ounce can of Mountain Dew.
Love that sound.
Pour it in our cake mix. It won't be thick after this.
I bet not.
It was a little thick, but now that'll thin that right up.
Look at all that fizzy goodness.
Like good carbonation.
We're calling this Mountain Dew cake?
Yes. Just get this stirred up. It might take just a few minutes to get it stirred up good. Okay, we got the Mountain Dew.
Good.
All stirred. Well, you can smell that strawberry cake too. Okay, now you're gonna pour it in a 9 by 13. It's gotta bake for 30 minutes. No, excuse me, 50 minutes.
50 minutes. Wow.
At 350.
Well, it's going to take a minute
Yes.
or 50 minutes.
But you can, in the meantime, be making your icing, because you're going to pour your icing over when the cake comes out of the oven.
Great. So we're going to stick it in the oven and then come back and do that.
Yes. So we're going to take this over here to our oven and bake it for 50 minutes.
All right.
Oh, it's almost, we could go ahead. To this butter, we're going to add a 20-ounce of crushed pineapple. Juice and all is going in.
All right.
What you're going to do is heat all this up, and when the cake gets done, you're going to pour it over the warm cake.
Ooh.
Okay, so with that, you're also going to add a cup of sugar.
It's a very detailed cake, huh?
Yes. And a cup of coconut flakes, sweetened.
All right, so we got the coconut flakes.
Okay, you just get that all mixed up. And then it calls for 5 tablespoons of cornstarch, which will thicken the mixture up.
Saving that starch for last.
Now we're going to add our 5 tablespoons, I've already measured it out, into our mixture.
Of cornstarch?
Yeah, I'm just going to do a little at a time.
A little bit at a time. Okay. That's smart.
So it don't clump up on me. Okay, now see how good and thick that icing is?
Now it's thick.
Now just let it sit while our cake is baking, and then you'll put it on the warm cake.
Awesome. All right, let's take a look.
Oh,
Ooh.
don't that look scrumptious?
Nice and fluffy.
Strawberry cake.
Alrighty. Yum.
Let me, okay, now your icing that we cooked earlier.
Oh yeah,
While
the
it's
mixture.
warm. While it's warm, we're gonna put it on the cake.
Look at that. This is the best Mountain Dew cake I've ever seen.
Oh, this is gonna be a good cake.
Oh my gosh.
Now, I like my, but
Spread
to
it
smell
around.
it, if you could smell it right now, y'all would
Can
be
you guys
enjoying
smell
it.
that? Oh my gosh.
Oh,
Just get it nice and spread. Wow.
and it was not a lot to it.
All right.
Okay, let's let him try this.
Cut off a little piece.
Corner.
Oh, slipping out. Slippery.
Oh, that's because it's good and warm. But that, look at the steam
This is
coming off of
moist
that.
cake too. Look at that. Okay, let's give it a little try. That is super good.
Anything we could do different?
Honestly, no. That one.
Okay.